What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, things still looking really good. Obviously, as we've always said, and we'll continue to say, big coiling motion. The breakout and the back test, obviously, we say this a lot, but it is important for new viewers to see the situation that we are in general. You can see here we've obviously got our big coiling motion, this pennant. You can see we're slowly, consolidating ever since that huge move to the upside at the 265 all-time high. We get the breakout of that resistance, the back test of that resistance, and the 618 as support, super bullish. And obviously, as we said before, a consecutive series of higher highs and higher lows as we continue to the upside here. Just basically making our way to the upside for Polygon, looking really strong. Obviously, we've had quite a bearish market recently. We're not in a bear market, we would say. We're still in a bull market, but there's been a bearish period of the market where Bitcoin's been rolling over. And we have seen a lot of cryptos rolling over in conjunction with it being highly correlated to its price action. But it looks like Polygon, it's pretty much been doing the opposite, to be honest. We had that big, we first started out with that bearishness around the 10th of November. We were here. We obviously had a little bit of a correction down here in this descending wedge here. But we've got the breakout and the back test of the 618, that W double bottom like this. We run up to a new swing high here around that, what was it, that 2. We actually pretty much touched the all-time high almost here, didn't we? We roll back over to retest that previous swing high here as support. You can see here, resistance flipped into support, bullish to see. And then we run up to a new all-time high, don't we? And then we come back down eventually after losing this range here. Little bit of a head and shoulders formation forming here. If I can actually draw head and shoulders like this, you'll obviously lose the support, so you come back down to around that, that $2 level, big psychological support. Also with the 078 just below it, a big area of support in our opinion. If we look on the hourly time frame, you can see this more closely. Head and shoulders formation here with obviously the neckline being the bottom of the range. We lose the bottom of the range, we come down, we meet our target down here. We get that W double bottom with the bullish divergences. You can see all the bullish divergences here on the histogram and the RSI. You can see we come down, we touch that actual support that we've been holding as well. Support here, support here, support here. Support. You can see this, it's a very bullish trend, isn't it? Especially in the face of a bearish market overall. And you can see after that, we come back up, retest resistance, come back down to support, which was that previous swing high, 222 here. And now we've come back up again. As we said in our previous video, we'll keep retesting this resistance here till we break it. And we do think, sooner or later, we are going to see this resistance broken, aren't we? And then coming back up to the upside, because Polygon seems to be on a mission right now, and it's probably going to make a new higher high pretty soon, isn't it? Which would be an all-time high. Based on what we're seeing here, it's just up and to the right for Polygon at the minute, isn't it? It's got really bullish market structure. Lots of good fundamental news coming out all the time. And we do think it's going to do very well, in the near term. So you can see here, we're probably just going to continue to the upside for a fair while, aren't we? Heading up towards this point here, where we're probably going to see a new all-time high over $3, maybe coming up towards that 127 extension here at that $4-ish level. So not much to say about Polygon really, other than that it's looking really bullish. Over the past few days, we formed a bit of a range between that 222 level and that 242 level, something like this. Let me just draw this in actually, because it's probably a fairly confluent area, something like that. I'll leave that on the chart for next time. See high, low, high, forming a range. So you can do short-term price predictions from this, can't you? If we're rolling over, the bottom of this little range will be our support at 222. If we have a larger rollover, then we'll come down towards that $2 level, won't we? And then headed to the upside, we want to break this level here. And then once we're back inside the range, back test it, head towards that 267 level, which was that previous all-time high. And then beyond that, as we said, I mean, if we come towards the all-time high here and break it, back test it, that 127 extension at $4, the next target. And then beyond that, as we've always said, $5 to $10 looking very likely now for Polygon, isn't it? Only a 2 to 4x from the current price. Very, very achievable, and obviously a top quality project. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.